Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the month of October in my B6 Rings planner using this Wonderland B6 month kit from ReddHeadStickers. I am on a PR team for ReddHeadStickers, so if you guys want to save some money off of your order, you can use my code Megan and it will save you 15% off and you will receive my freebie. It is still currently the spring freebie at the time of me filming, so this is what it looks like, but definitely check out her Etsy shop if you want to save some money off of your order. This kit is actually not available in the shop anymore. It is retired, but I've had this for a very long time, since last year, and I went through all of my giant amount of fall and Halloween stickers and saw that I had that, and I was like, I might as well use it. So that is exactly what we're going to be doing for this month. So let's go ahead and get started. This video is probably going to be split up into two parts. Like I'm going to be filming this part and then I will come back and add the clip later of me decorating the like doing a refresh of the pockets in here, but at the current moment there's something I'm still waiting on, so I'm not doing that yet. But this is what I do for my monthly. Now, if you guys are not familiar with how I set up my monthly planner, I use the calendar pages in the B6 planner for my sticker a day challenge, and then I use the pages before for monthly challenges. So there is a monthly challenge by Bless Your Heart stickers that I like to do. Sorry, I am struggling to put this down. By Bless Your Heart stickers that I love to do, and there's also one that I've been doing recently by Moonchild Minchie on Instagram. So I've been doing those two. Sometimes I do a different challenge, sometimes I just add deco. It just really depends on the month and how everything is set up. But as you can see, the monthly is kind of set up for the B6. So I'm trying to make sure that it's good to go for here. Let's grab the X-Acto. So ReddHeadStickers kits are not, they're kind of that paper that you can't rip with like a cutting tool. You have to cut it yourself. So I like it though. It's very, I love her kits. I think they are so fun and so just great. I highly recommend you check out her shop if you haven't before. And you know what I'm gonna do is just grab the smallest piece from here to cover up our whoops in the corner right there. All we have to do is that, and I think we can fix this whoops too. It's just a little whoopsie. See? Perfect. Can't even tell. Can't even tell. Who's cool? It's me. Alright, I have to figure out when the month ended. It starts on a Tuesday because Monday was the 30th. So let's add these days on here. Okay, we've got that done. I want to add just a little bit of deco at the bottom, not too much, because like I said, this is the kit that I use for my sticker a day, so I don't want to overwhelm the page, but I do want to add just a little bit of fun. So this is one of the journaling kits. It's the Halloween Treats journaling kit, and I thought it would be fun to add a little bit of the Halloween cuteness to the spread. Just a little bit of fun, right? Not too much, but enough. Okay, I think I'm gonna do these guys, then this guy. What do we think? I like that. I do want to do something right here. Possibly we'll use this square box, because once the spread is done, it's going to have a ton of different stickers from different shops and, you know, a little bit of writing and such. And I'll show you August's. September's isn't quite done yet, so I can't show you September's, but I'll show you August's. This is what August's look like. Here is August. This is an example of what I mean when I say I don't want to do too much deco, because as you can see, I have a sticker every single day. And then an example of the sticker a day challenge is, this is sticker hunt challenge from Bless Your Heart Stickers. This is our September one. And then the sticker a day Moonchild Minchie sticker challenge is this one here. So this is actually from September. I did finish this one before, but I didn't want to show you an incomplete spread for September sticker a day, because it just doesn't make sense if you see it in that form. Okay, so let's get these, and this is where those sticker a day challenges go, and we are doing a very minimal decoration on here. I'm literally going to line each page with just the smallest amount of washi. And a little bit of deco, not a lot, because there's not a lot of space for any deco, really. Actually, I think we are going to move this guy over here so that it makes more sense to do it that way. And then we're gonna do this guy over here. That, and this guy here on this side. And then I like to have one box that says what the challenge is. I think we're gonna do the pink and orange boxes, just so that I can remember that this is the sticker a day challenge by whomever. And get that squared away. So I'm going to do the title there, and then who it is by. And this box, same thing with this one. I think we're going to do this one. No, we're going to do it in the same spot, Megan, because we do not want to confuse ourselves. Okay, and the last thing is, I did want to do this. I forgot about that. Okay, well, we are going to take this guy. Come on now, let go. Comes up pretty easily, though. Do have to say I'm pretty impressed about that. Okay. We're still gonna put this sticker over the top, just so that we have that. And I am gonna outline it in black. That way we can see it a little bit better. And then this one, I kind of want to do the same thing. I probably should have thought this out a little bit better, but I don't think things through, as you guys know. All right. Got a few more stickers that I want to put. I think I'm going to do it like this. On that side, and then one over here on this side. Okay, I do have this guy that we can cut. I love how I said I wasn't going to do anything like insane, and then here I am adding tons of stickers to a spread that's going to be covered up anyway. I am going to do, I like to do corners if you can't tell. I think I'm going to do this corner here like that, and this corner here like this, and to tie in on this side, I'm gonna stick this guy up here. Okay, what do we think? I kind of want to put those bats in here too, this bat cluster, but I feel like it might be too much. Oh, actually, if I combined it, ooh, or I could do it on these pages, but I feel like it might be too much if I did it here. Right? Yeah, I need to do it on the monthly to make it make sense, you know? All right, where are my tweezers? Okay. All right, you guys, there it is. So here is our October monthly for our sticker a day challenge, and then we have our other 2 pages for the monthly sticker challenges. I think this is super fun. I'm really pleased with the cute little deco that I did. All right, everyone, that is it for the month of October in my B6 Rings Planner using this fun Halloween treats journaling kit from ReddHeadStickers. As I mentioned, this kit is not available in her shop, but she does have a lot of other really fun kits, so definitely check her out. I will leave all of her information in the description box below, so you can check that out if you are interested in seeing what kinds of things she has to offer. Don't forget to use my code Megan, and it'll save you 15% off of your order off of her website, and you will also receive my PR freebie. All right, so here is part 2 of our video for the decorations for our planner. So I'm going to take these out and take off our birthday sticker if it will let me. So I have some things that pulled out for this month since it is October. Okay, let's go through our little cards that we have up here. And, oh, this one actually might work because it's treats. This is Shine Sticker Studio. Got some more Shine Sticker Studio. This is obviously not going to work. This one might. We can hold off on that one. LOL, this is 2024. Oh, whoops. But it's fine. Okay. Let's just see what it looks like with all of our things. I think the Treat Yourself might be the one for this month. And then I have some little paper clips. So this is from Temu, and this is from Sweet Nana Shop. And I thought it was cute for the holiday, you know, for Halloween. And I thought this one would fit pretty well. And then we have these. These are Simon's Cat. Creep It Real, and then a little ghosty. And then we also have this from a sticker pack that I had, and then some pumpkin girls. These might probably would be for October, I'm thinking. So let's see. I do like the Creep It Real there. I mean, honestly, that looks pretty cute. What do you guys think? Let's see if it looks better over here. It might look better that way. Okay, so, no. Not very good at pocket decorations, if you guys can't tell, but if you have any ideas for how to decorate a pocket, please tell me, because I am always looking for cute pocket deco. Just figured this would be fun because it's Halloween themed, and you know, I don't really ever use, I feel like I need to choose, and I think this one's gonna win because this one's definitely like more Halloween-y. So excited for you guys to see my planner for 2025 with this rings because it's gonna be cute. I think I've already talked about what I'm gonna use this planner for 2025, but if you don't already know, then you will be surprised because I think it's gonna be fun. I like that. I think that's super fun. Okay, but we do need to change the dashboard to something else. I could just leave it with those coffees, but I'm kind of thinking I need to do something else. Okay, well, this is just what we're gonna have for now. But this is our little pocket deco for the month with our treat yourself little journaling card and our cute little Simon's cat things. I think that is super cute. If you like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you are subscribed, hit that notification bell so you're notified when I post new videos. If you want to see more of my B6 Rings planner setups, you can check out my B6 Rings planner playlist. It will be linked at the end of this video and in the description box below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. And until next time, craft on. Bye guys!